Would you like to get a 30-day trial to HighLevel? I'm Amory Walts. I'm also a sponsored affiliate by HighLevel. What does that mean? It means that you get a special invitation right now for a limited time to be able to get an extended free trial of HighLevel for 30 days. What you get in that 30 days is you get support from both myself, you'll get into my ecosystem, and you get direct support by HighLevel with an onboarding call to get you up and running. If I get excited the most about what it is that I love as far as my career within my life is being able to help other people work smarter and not harder. I'm a certified admin, so I took the time to go through the certification, and you can do that as well. You're going to find that there's multiple communities. You'll make friends, you'll be inspired, and there's unlimited support. I found in my experience by using HighLevel within our local businesses that it is definitely increased efficiency. Right now, we're on the inside of my husband's auto repair shop. We are both co-owners, and every single time somebody calls in, the best thing that I love that he said about 6 months ago is even if somebody hangs up, they get a text message. So there is not one phone call that is ever missed. And if you own a business, then I don't need to tell you that you either need more customers or more time, or maybe both. And the beauty about having a system like this outside of working is that when you go on vacation, you literally can take a vacation. There's so much that this platform can do for if you are a coach, you own multiple locations, you want to be an agency, you want to be able to sell something online. I'm telling you, this is the platform for you. Now, with that said, I am an affiliate. So if you do click on my link, you will get an extended trial. If you go beyond the trial, I may receive a small commission at no charge to you. So I welcome you and I invite you to ask questions if you have them. I'll personally follow up and I will see you on the inside, and take advantage of this extended trial. It's worth its weight in gold.